What's the meaning of bigot? Bigot. Bigot.
Bigot. Bigot. A bigot is a person who holds extremely strong and narrow-minded opinions, usually relating to race, religion, or politics. Bigotry entails an irrational or prejudiced attitude towards a particular group, resulting in discriminatory behavior. Bigots may be in denial about their bias, seeing it as justified, and often dismissive of those who hold opposing views. The term comes from the French word bigot, which originally referred to a hypocritical religious zealot. Today, it has come to refer more broadly to people with intolerant and irrational beliefs, regardless of the context. Bigotry remains a persistent problem, causing social tensions and inequalities that can be difficult to overcome.